So for question 7, we are given function modulus here. So this is absolute function, linear function. What they ask us to find? They say, please find the interval of x, means solve for x. For each fx is less than gx, means your modulus for x minus 1 is less than x plus 2. So when we substitute our function inside, you can see we go back to the chapter 2 concept, which is modulus inequalities. So how we do the definition of modulus less than? So less than, we will use definition n. So we have to open the modulus and we solve for it. This is what the question asks us to do, find the interval. Okay, so we do the basic definition of our modulus. Open the modulus, it will be 4x minus 1 less than x plus 2. Because less than, definition is n. And then for x minus 1 greater, insert the negative. Okay, then we simplify. We have left hand side part, we have right hand side part. So we simplify part by part. For this left hand side part, we move our x, we get 3x. This is a linear, so we just can move it. Then negative 1 to the right hand side become positive 1. Then divide by 3 is alright, so we get left hand side answer as less than 1. So for right hand side is a linear also, so we just move our x. So it will be 5x greater than negative 1. So when you divide by 5, so no problem, just do your division. So what is the function of n here? We're going to intersect these both answer. Left hand side answer and right hand side answer, we're going to do intersect. So we draw our number line where smaller value negative 1 over 5 at left hand side, bigger value 1 at right hand side. Okay, so this part answer less than 1. Open, not equal. So it will be empty circle, less than, we are drawing to left hand side. For this part, greater than. So empty circle also, greater than, drag to the right hand side. Intersection, and. So testing on the concept of intersection. For this both line, we find the intersection where it occur at this region. So this is our intersection part. Shade the region out, and then we state our answer. Our x is in between negative 1 over 5 less than x less than 1. So this is chapter 2. Okay, so the definition, how we solve the modulus, basic definition, it will be 1 mark. Then simplify our linear inequality to get both answer here. Then definitely final answer is getting the region of the x. So that will be our interval of our x. So continue for part B. They say if this function hx is equals to fx plus 2gx. So express this fx in piecewise. Before we going to express hx in piecewise, we look at our function. Originally, this modulus function can be simplified in piecewise function. So we start from our modulus function. Starting take our modulus function here, where modulus 4x minus 1 can be expressed in piecewise, means into two parts. One part is positive when this 4x minus 1 greater equals to 0, and one part is negative when this 4x minus 1 less than 0. So we can see here, when we simplify, it will be 4x minus 1. Here the interval will be x greater equals to 1 over 4. And another part of the function, negative x plus 1, where the x is less than 1 over 4. So we can see the piecewise function clearly. Then only we start to operate our hx. So our gx here is given that x plus 2. So therefore, now we're going to operate out our hx. So hx is function of fx plus 2gx. So we have two parts. If we're taking our fx for the first part, it will be 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. Then plus 2gx. So this will be our first part. If we're taking our function fx, for this second part, it will be negative 4x plus 1. Then plus 2gx. For x less than 1 over 4. So we simplify here. Here will be 4x, 2x, add together 6x. Then negative 1 plus 4 plus 3. So for second piece here, second part here, negative 4 plus 2x, negative 2x. And then 1 plus 4 here is 5, equals to 5 for x less than 1 over 4. So for modulus function expressed in piecewise, that will be our basics. Then we start operate with gx and simplify to the answer.